everyone. I'm A. Naresh Kumar, working as an assistant professor in EEE department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. In PSCAD lab, today we are going to see the demonstration of small signal stability analysis.
The aim of this experiment is editing and building a VI and creating a VI. To perform this experiment, we need MATLAB software and one laptop or desktop required. As you can see here, the program for small signal stability analysis E. Here E indicates internal voltage of the generator and V indicates infinite bus voltage, H is the inertia constant, X is reactance, Pm is equals to 0.6, D is equals to 0.138, F naught frequency is equal to 60. Calculate P maximum. P maximum here is equals to P maximum equals to E multiplied with V by divided by X. So here this one D naught rotor initial angle A sin of Pm divided by P maximum. Calculate initial rotor angle. From the P maximum and initial rotor angle, calculate the synchronizing power coefficient of single generator. So that is indicated with PS, P maximum multiplied with the cos of D naught. After that, calculate the natural frequency of oscillations. That formula is Wn is equal to square root of pi 60 divided by H multiplied with PS. Pi value is 3.14. Next, calculate the Z means damping ratio, D by 2 square root of pi 60 divided by H multiplied with PS. Next, damping frequency of oscillations, Wd, and this one. So everything calculated here, Z, Wn, Wd is also calculated here. Next, time constant, Tau, 1 by Z Wn. So time constant of second order system. Next, damping angle, rotor angle, Th, A cos Z, D naught pi 10 multiplied with pi by 80, that is initial rotor angle. So here time steps for simulation is given 0 to suppose 0 to 3. So 0.1, 0.2 till 1, 1.01, 1.02 till 2, 2.01, 2.02 till 3. Like that here given. First and last values are given 0, 3 in steps of 0.01. Clear the time steps. Next, calculate DD, updated rotor angle, this one. That formula, each values are calculated in this formula before. D equals to D naught plus DD multiplied with 180 divided by pi, this one. dW, that is the instantaneous rotor angle in degrees. Next, updated rotor speed, this one. Next, F equals to instantaneous frequency in edges, this formula. Next, plot the graph between T versus D. In x-axis T, y-axis D. So T in seconds, delta in D in degrees, delta. Next, second graph, to draw the graph between T versus F. So frequency in edges and T in seconds. So this I will show you in MATLAB software. So after execution of this program, we will get all these answers. So this calculations, everything, and expected graphs T versus D, T versus F. This we will see. Okay. It is MATLAB software home page. From this, open the program. Go to the desktop. This PSCAD lab experiment number 10 small signal stability analysis program. Okay, this program, MATLAB program for small signal stability. This program I have explained in the slide in the PPT. So this one, each and every point. So same as it is that program, copying. So T in seconds, T in degree, T in seconds, T in delta in degree, frequency in waves. So we need to plot this and the calculations of this one. So close it, copy, paste here. So first P maximum D naught PS WL. This graph also. T delta, T frequency, T in seconds, D delta in degrees, T in seconds, T in hertz. Last this one, and this P maximum PS D naught WL. P maximum D naught PS WL. Next Z WD. All the parameters same according to the formulas. All are executed. Okay. This is regarding small signal stability analysis.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.